start with 5 chains. One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 chains. Then single crochet. Slip stitch. Now 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 12 DC in this. Okay. Including the 3 chains, 12 DC. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we complete round 1 with a slip stitch in the first DC. Okay, one is done. Again 3 chains, 3. Next one DC. So this 3 chains makes 1 DC. 1, 2 in each DC. So total 12 DC should be there. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, slip stitch into the third chain. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this will be complete with the second round. Slip stitch into this hole. Okay, done. Now 1, 2, 3 chains and 2 DC. 1, 2. So total 3 DCs, 1 chain. In the next hole again 3 DC. 1, 1, 2, 3. So 3 DC, again 1 chain. So again 3 DC, 1 chain, 3 DC in all. Okay, so I'll do again 1, 2, 3, 1 chain. Okay, and then continue all around. So 1 chain, slip stitch into the third chain, 1, 2, 3. So we complete 1, 2, third round. After you finish the round, okay, do 1 chain and cut the yarn. Okay, now what you have to do is take this thread, a simple knot is enough. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, total 4 DC. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so then 3, 1, 2, 3, and like this you have to do. Okay, okay, then again 4 DC in the same hole. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then 1 chain, DC into this chain. Okay, single crochet, then chain 1, again do in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 DC, 2 DC, 1, 2, 3 chains. Okay, in this way, then again 4 DC, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 chain, single crochet, 1 chain, again in the same hole 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, here in this, okay, then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see like this. So continue this all around. So 1 chain, single crochet, 1 chain, here DC, 1 chain, finish it off. Okay, cut the yarn. Here is your sunflower coaster, the beautiful